Jai Hind students. Today we are going to learn how to convert decimal to fractions and fractions to decimals. So you can see on the screen. So today's topic is what are we learning? In this lesson, you will learn how to convert decimals to fractions and fractions to decimals. So first thing you should know about is place value chart, as we have already learned what are Indian place value system and international place value system. So even for decimal numbers, we place the numbers in place value chart. So here we are going to use the place value chart. As you can see, ones, then decimal, tenth, hundredth, and thousandth. You can see TH. Tenth is written as TENTHS. Hundredth is written as HUNDREDTHS. In the last, we use THS. Similarly for thousand. So number at thousand place will be written in this box. Number at hundred place is written in this box. And number at 10th place. Now 10th place means the number which comes directly after on the directly to the right side of the decimal number. The first number that is the right side of the decimal is at the 10th position. The second number after decimal is 100, is at 100th position, and the third number after decimal comes at the 1000th place. Okay, so we'll use this table for writing the decimal numbers. How to convert decimals to fractions? Now you can see here, this is 0.24. So here 2 is at 10th place and 4 is at 100th place. 4 is at 100th place. So in the place value chart, we'll put, you can see the position to decimal. It's in between 1's place and 10th place. So 2 will come at 10th place and 4 will come at 100th place. So you can see the fourth is in the 100th place. So fraction, how we'll write the fraction? Now we'll just see the last number of the decimal number. Okay. So here 0.24. So the last number here is 4 and 4 is at 100th position. 100th position. So we'll write 24 upon 100. That is 2400. Let's come how to convert decimals to fractions. Here you can see we have written 0.5. Now the 5 is in the 10th place. As I already told you, the number which comes on the right side of the decimal, the first number which comes on the right side of the decimal number is always at the 10th place. So here 5 is at 10th place and we will write this as 5 upon 10. We'll write this upon 5 upon 10. How to convert decimals to fractions? Again, 0.84. So here you can see 8 is at 10th place and 4 is at 100th place. So here we'll write 84 upon 100. Since the last number 4 is at 100th place, therefore this will be written as 84 upon 100. What if there is a whole number before the decimal point? For example, here we have taken 1.589. So here 5 is at 10th place, 8 is at 100th place, and 9 is at 1000th place. So how do we write this? So 1, the whole number will be written as 1, and we'll write this 589 as 589 upon 1000. Very simple. 1 we have written as a whole number, and then we have written the numbers after decimals, the numbers which are coming on the right side of the decimal as 589 upon 1000. Since the 9 is at the 1000 place, so in the denominator it will be 1000. What if there is a whole number before the decimal point? Now, like for example, here we have taken 25.5. So 25 here is a whole number. So we'll write 25 as it is. After decimal, there is 5. Now 5 is at 10th place. Therefore, it is written as 5 upon 10. So we have written this decimal number 25.5 in fractions as 25 upon 10. Now the next subtopic is how to convert fractions to decimals. So here the fraction given here is 23 upon 100. 23 upon 100. So we can see here this 100. The last number 23, the last number is 3 and 3 is at 100 place. So in the place value chart, you can see the decimal is, we have written in between ones and 10th position. So here 2 will come at 10th place and 3 will come at 100 place. So the decimal representation of 23, the fraction 23 upon 100 is 0.23. I hope this is clear. Let's take another example. The another example is 567 upon 1000. Now 567 upon 1000, you can see seventh number is at 1000 place. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll put decimal in between ones and 10th place. You can see the decimal point here. 5 will come at 10th place, 6 will come at 100th place, and 7 will come at 1000 place. So the number 567 upon 1000, the fraction 567 upon 1000 is written as point, that is decimal 567. One more example. How to convert 4 upon 1000 in decimal form. Can you see the denominator? It's 1000. That means 4 is at 1000 place. So we'll put 4 in the 1000 place in the place value chart, and the rest of the place at the 100 place will write 0. At the 10th place will write 0 since there is no number in the numerator. In the fraction part, there is only single number, and that will write in the 1000 place, and the rest of the place value will be filled with 0. So the decimal form of 4 upon 1000, fraction 4 upon 1000 is written as decimal 004. One more example, fraction 2 upon 10. So we can see in denominator it's 10th. Therefore, 2 will be written at the 10th place. So decimal form of 2 by 10 is 0.2. What if there is a whole number before the fraction? Let's see, 567 upon 1000. So this 3 will be written at the ones place. This 3 will be written at the ones place. Decimal will be written in between ones and 10th place. Now, since 7 is at the 1000 place, so we'll write 7 here, 6 at the 100 place, and 5 at the 10th place. So decimal form of this number is 3.567. I hope this is clear to you. Let's take one more example. The fraction here is 34 by 1000. So this will be written as 24 decimal point, that is decimal 034. Since 4 is at 1000 place, so we'll write 4 here, 3 at the 100 place, and since there is no number for the 10th place, so we'll write 0 over here. So this is 24 decimal 034. Let's take one more example where the denominator is not in the form of 10, 100 or 1000. Here 5 upon 6. We have to convert this fraction into decimal. So here we have to show the division. Okay. Divide the numerator by the denominator. We'll show the division here. So here what we'll do, we'll write 5 as a dividend and 6 as a divisor. Since 6 is at the denominator place, so this will become the divisor and 5 is at the dividend place. Now here we can see 5 is smaller than 6. 5 is smaller than 6. So what we'll do, we'll put decimal first and then we'll take 50 at a time. Now 6 8s are 48. 50 minus 48 is 2. We'll take 0 as a, we'll take, note down 0 here. since we have already put the decimal here, so we can take 1 0 at a time from the dividend. So now this has become 20. 6 3s are 18. Again 2. So it will keep on repeating. This 20 will come continuously. Okay. So that's why we have written 0.83 bar. Now this bar is representing that 3 will be repeated infinitely. So the decimal part of 5 by 6 is decimal or 0.83 bar. Suppose you can't use a denominator of 10. Again, one more example. 2 upon 3 will divide 2 by 3. We have written 2 in the dividend place and 3 at the divisor place. Again, 2 is smaller than 3. So what we'll do, we'll put decimal over here and we'll take 0 here. So we'll take two numbers at a time, 2, 0, 20. So 3, 6 are 18. Again, we can see 2 is coming here. We'll take 0, 1 0 at a time. So again, this 6 will keep on repeating. That's why we have put bar on this 6. In the same way, you can try 7 upon 8, 5 upon 15, 6 upon 10, 3 upon 4, 12 upon 16, 3 upon 40. Some more examples that you can try on your own so that you can learn, you can practice these questions thoroughly. 0.35, 0.25, 0.95, 0.6, 0.875, and 0.125. So this is all for today. I hope you have learned how to convert decimals into fractions and fractions into decimals. All the best and keep practicing these questions. Thank you, everyone.